mischief you would bring your darling when the onus is not all your own, when you're up for it before you've grown. Whoa, whoa. From the phone forever gone, and the towers of the honeycomb, I'd have tore your hair out just to climb back, darling. When you're filling out your only phone, can you tell that it's just ceremony? Now you've added up to watch you from. Whoa, whoa. Did you tear the rain out from your fragrance? Bring the sailor's table on your sailboat. This is fables I'm with Abraham. For the love comes the burn young, from the liver swelling through your tongue. Well, you're standing on my stone, don't you climb down, darling. Sundays are the first to end. Smoke on Sundays when you're drunk and dead. At the hollows where the swallow ends. Whoa, whoa.
I will tread down a lonesome track, set my eyes on the wild and won't look back. I will follow where my heart reacts, venture out to the great unknown, find a place where I can feel alive again, throw caution to the wind. I'll find my feet on the way. I'll find my feet on the way. Climbing up from the valley below, seeing places and faces I've never known. I will follow to the open road, through the trees till I see the sun. Now I know that I can feel alive again, throw caution to the wind. I'll find my feet on the way. I'll find my feet on the way. I'll find my feet on the way.
Here I am in this old town, still dreaming of the open road. I've been here for far too long. There's so much more than this I know. It's been years since I've been gone. I miss the way it feels to roam. This urge that's grown inside my heart to pack my bags and hit the road. I'm dreaming of the road again, set free in the wind. Feels like we found home again, on the road that's grown within. We will fill the tank and make our way down windy tracks and beaten roads. We'll drive away from this old town and find a place we've never known, with the summer sun over open plains, with the windows down. We'll drive along and our hearts will grow as our troubles fade away. I'm dreaming of the road again, set free in the wind. Feels like we found home again, on the road that's grown within. Dreaming of the road again, set free in the wind. Feels like we found home again, on the road that's grown within.
Ever since I heard the howling wind, I didn't need to go where a Bible went. Then you know your gifts seem heaven sent. Just lead me to a colder dead, that's the thing. I don't know how you house the sin, I was never sure how much of you I could let in. Am I free now? Won't you settle down, baby? Your love has been the Heavenly Father. It's definitely louder. Why you don't carry other names? About a day where it dropped the note. Come to go another day as we learn to close. 'Cause I'm a known coward in a coward win. But you're free. winter is autumn, and love is left in end. I've just been up here for goddamn years. Can you see now? Filling up halls with goddamn fears. I am free now. I know about it, darling, I've been standing here. Heavenly Father, this is all that he offers, for safety in the end.